there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making a black bean Crunchwrap Supreme. This recipe will satisfy your fast food cravings, so skip the drive-thru and make this vegetarian black bean Crunchwrap Supreme instead. It's loaded with black beans, fresh vegetables, and homemade queso. It's the perfect cheesy, crunchy, meatless meal. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. To get started, prepare the crunchy tortillas. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line a sheet pan with parchment paper. Place the tortillas on the sheet pan and brush both sides of the tortillas with olive oil. You may be able to find crispy tostadas at the grocery store, and if you do, they can be substituted for the crunchy tortillas. However, the crunchy tortillas are baked rather than fried, so they are a bit of a healthier alternative. Now that the tortillas are brushed with olive oil, bake them for 6 to 7 minutes. Then you can flip the tortillas and bake them for another 2 to 4 minutes or until golden and crispy. When that is finished, season them with salt and set aside. Now let's prepare the black bean filling. In a saucepan over medium heat, heat the olive oil. Once the olive oil is hot, add the diced onion and jalapeno. Cook the mixture until softened. Add in the minced garlic cloves and cook until fragrant. Next, add the drained black beans, chili powder, cumin, and smoked paprika. Mix together and cook until the beans are heated through. Then season with salt and pepper. Add the cilantro and toss until evenly combined, then set aside. Now this recipe is vegetarian, but if you want meat, you can add some ground beef or chicken to the black bean mixture. But let's get started on preparing the queso. In a bowl, mix shredded Monterey Jack and sharp cheddar cheese with the cornstarch until evenly coated, and then set aside. In a pot over medium heat, melt butter, then add the chopped onion and jalapeno. Then cook the mixture until softened, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add the garlic and cook until fragrant. Then stir in the evaporated milk and mix to combine. Once the milk simmers, add the shredded cheese and stir until the cheese melts and becomes a silky sauce. Then stir in the red salsa and thin the mixture with milk. Season with salt and pepper and set aside. If you're running short on time, you can always just use store-bought queso instead. Now we are going to warm the flour tortillas by placing them on a microwave-safe plate, then top them with a few drops of water. Cover with another microwave-safe plate and microwave for 15 seconds until soft and pliable. Now let's assemble the black bean Crunchwrap Supreme. Place the large flour tortilla on a flat surface and add a layer of the black bean filling and a few tablespoons of the queso. Top with pickled jalapenos and a dollop of sour cream. Add the diced tomatoes, shredded romaine lettuce, and sliced avocado. And top with a crispy corn tortilla. Then place the small flour tortilla over the corn tortilla and fold the large flour tortilla over the small flour tortilla, encasing all of the ingredients. If you cannot find small flour tortillas, then you can cut large flour tortillas into smaller rounds instead. Now heat a nonstick pan over medium-high heat and place the wraps in the pan with the folded side down first. Cook until golden brown and the folded seams are sealed, which should take about 2 minutes. Flip and cook the other side until golden brown. Then repeat with the remaining tortillas. Serve hot and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.